Dify versus n8n, which AI workflow tool wins. Choosing the right AI workflow tool can transform your automation efficiency without complex setups. Dify offers simplicity with AI focus, while n8n provides extensive customization and integrations. Dify and n8n are powerful AI workflow tools designed to automate tasks and boost productivity. The core difference lies in Dify's AI-centric automation, with user-friendly design versus n8n's open-source platform, offering deep customization and a broader range of integrations. Dify is an AI workflow platform that simplifies automation by integrating AI capabilities directly into workflows. It enables users to create intelligent task sequences using a visual interface, combining AI models with data inputs and outputs seamlessly. Dify excels in automating complex AI-driven processes without requiring advanced coding skills. Its strengths include ease of use, fast deployment, and built-in AI tools that handle tasks like data extraction, natural language processing, and decision-making. However, it may have limitations in supporting highly customized or non-AI workflows compared to traditional automation platforms. Ideal users are businesses and professionals looking for straightforward AI integration to enhance workflows quickly without deep technical expertise. Dify's design focuses on reducing the barrier to entry for AI automation, making it accessible for teams aiming to leverage AI capabilities in their daily operations. n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool that offers extensive flexibility through a node-based editor. It supports hundreds of integrations, allowing users to connect APIs, databases, and services to build complex automation pipelines. Unlike AI-specific platforms, n8n emphasizes customization and control, enabling developers and advanced users to tailor workflows to precise needs. Its strengths include open-source accessibility, self-hosting options, and a vast ecosystem of nodes that cover diverse use cases beyond AI tasks. However, n8n requires a steeper learning curve and technical knowledge to unlock its full potential. It is best suited for users who need detailed customization, want to integrate with a wide range of tools, or prefer an open-source solution for privacy and control. While n8n can incorporate AI components, it is not focused solely on AI automation, but rather on versatile workflow orchestration for various business processes. Comparing Dify and n8n highlights a trade-off between ease of AI automation and customization depth. Dify is ideal for users seeking quick AI-powered workflows with minimal setup, perfect for automating tasks like data analysis or content generation without coding. On the other hand, n8n excels in scenarios requiring broad integrations and intricate workflow designs, such as connecting multiple APIs or managing complex business logic. While Dify limits customization outside AI tasks, n8n demands more technical skill but offers unmatched flexibility. For teams prioritizing rapid AI adoption and user-friendly design, Dify fits best. For developers or organizations needing comprehensive automation across diverse systems, n8n is the stronger choice. Choose Dify if you want an intuitive AI-focused platform that delivers fast, effective automation without technical complexity. Opt for n8n when you require a highly customizable, open-source automation tool capable of integrating numerous services beyond AI. Both tools excel in different areas, so select based on your workflow complexity and technical resources for the best results.